Here we've got XIAOMI Mi 10T Pro, and let me show you how to change ringtone on the following device. So first of all, just open Settings, then find and select Sound and Vibration. Here, click on Ringtone, choose the album from which you would like to pick your ringtone. It can be electronic. Okay, so I will just volume the device up as we've got DND mode active. Wear this and got it. Okay, and now it should work. Go to all ringtones maybe so you can see the whole list. Pick the one that you want to choose, go back, and as you can see it has been already changed, and now a toy robot is your ringtone. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.